Wednesday before Memorial Day. That's the forecast. I figured nobody would want to come, so I asked. I had a reservation from a couple months ago. Looking at this forecast, I figured most people had already bailed. I didn't cancel, and I was wrong about almost everything I expected to find.
They are. We salute you, my friends. We salute you. The few, the proud.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they must be car camping. Somebody hiking this? Again, I salute you. What's Spence there? He probably just got here.
The forecast said stay home. Apparently nobody got the memo. As we sought warmth and shelter, we delved into the surprising number of individuals who had maintained their site reservations and the appropriate etiquette for no-shows and cancellations.
He said he's actually passed like a good number of
two sites with people in them, and then two vehicles headed some for one.
We were talking about the fact that you said there's like some people at work that, were canceling at the beginning of the week or whatever.
Spence brought his son. He's ridden with us before, but this was the first time he made the trip and camped with the crew. 12 years old, holding his own around the fire with a bunch of old guys in the rain. Fit right in.
I mean, we have stuff to keep us warm or to keep us dry. Fundamentally, we're still going to have the same experience. We're going to sit in here. It beats being at home, doom scrolling on your phone, right?
We were talking yesterday, like severe weather. Severe weather gets you whenever you drive into the campground at 5 o'clock on Friday night, and it's supposed to be nice all week, and then the storm rolls in the next day. That's when severe weather gets you.
Right.
Yeah. Obviously, if there's going to be tornadoes and you have the opportunity to stay home, then stay home. But
yes, I mean, there's a difference between inclement and severe weather.
Yeah.
And it was obvious at the beginning of the week, well, this is going to be wet. And maybe not as warm as we would prefer on Memorial Day, but not dangerous. Yeah. Keep your plan.
Yeah, I mean, people just don't do that. In virtually all of our hobbies, there are the sunny day hobbyists that motorcycle ride, that bicycle ride, that go camping, and it's always been. It's like you guys were talking before. I mean, it's sad that people will take and they'll book a spot, and then now a lot of the places you don't get any refunds, so they're kind of like, well, I don't care, I paid for it, I ain't going to go, I'm not going to get my money back, I'm not going to cancel, screw it. And what they don't think about is, just like you said, somebody else wants to come out with the family and go camping, but they can't go, and the place stays empty, simply because somebody didn't want to take the time to go online and say, okay, well, I'm not going, I'm going to cancel my reservation, so open it up for somebody else to go stay,
Because it's okay, like, you said, to be a fair weather camper, if that's what you are. Not everybody wants to do this or have the extra level of preparation with all the stuff in the truck or whatever conditions may come.
The forecast was pretty accurate. Wet, windy, and chilly for the end of May. We put the lava box inside the door of Bill's pop-up gazebo. Nobody wanted to leave. When we did venture out, the trucks kept us warm on daily trail rides. A forecast, short of dangerous weather, isn't a reason to cancel. It's information to help you plan for what should still be a fun trip. Everyone was worried when DCNR went to Reserve America, but it's clear now that it works. The new fees are going into site maintenance like new picnic tables, regular mowing, and improved driveways. If your plans change, canceling is easy and you get your fee back minus the service charge. Don't be a no-show. Cancel and make that space available for another community member. This is what the forecast doesn't show you. I almost didn't come. I'm glad that I did. So was everyone else in that campsite. If you found this useful, subscribe. New videos every Friday.